What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XRP today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, you guys. It is the 5th day of June today. Here we are with 21 hours, 7 minutes left in the day at $2.21. A little bit of a move down yesterday, as to be expected, right? We're finding resistance at prior areas of support, right, with this last move up here. You can see it clear as day. Resistance here, support, right? Support there. Even a little bit of resistance back here. Somewhat of a significant area, that $2.30 zone there. Finding support and resistance at this area. We've rejected it now. After being overbought in the RSI, having a high in the RSI we haven't seen in quite some time, while promoting the lowest high of the range so far that we formed. So that's definitely a bearish indication there. Whenever you're getting lower highs, but you're getting lower highs in the price, but higher highs in the indicator, that's not a good thing, right? This high here was higher in price, but lower in the indicator by a mile. That's a bad thing, right? It's like you're trying harder and getting less results. You're getting nowhere. It's not a good. The bears are in control in that kind of sense, right? And control they will. You've actually just broken out of this this uptrend here in the 4-hour RSI. Very brief, very kind of narrow uptrend nonetheless, but you know, here higher lows, higher highs, had that uptrend. You've clearly broken out of it now. You're below the 50. It's likely that you will go lower. You'll probably return to the oversold zone, but I don't expect it to all be at once, right? I think that over the next day or two, you'll be moving down probably to prices that are around $2, if not below $2, right? The expectation is still the same, that we see prices something around $1.95. Why won't it let me do this? Hold on. $1.95 to $1.88. $2.03, maybe to $1.89. Actually, might be a better kind of guess. It's very, very possible that we do find support just above $2, but I'm thinking that it will be below $2. Something around $1.95 is what I'm looking for personally. Looking at this on a 1-hour time frame, zooming in a little bit, looking at this, let's see. Actually, 1-hour RSI, again, it kind of looks bullish, right? It's got this higher low pointed up kind of look to it. It's looking frisky, but really what you're doing here is you're getting a high, a higher high, and a higher high, and all you've done is form a high, a lower high, and a lower high as far as closing price goes. So yeah, that's not impressive. 5 minutes left. I bet you do close here. Really, I think you're just setting up. You move down, you're going to consolidate like this, maybe move up, whatever, find resistance at prior support, and then you move down. Maybe you don't even get that move up. You just kind of consolidate and then you move down, but absolutely lower. Today, you will likely close a red day as well, right? Yesterday was a day that closed 1.9% to the downside. I can't see a reason why you wouldn't see something of a similar magnitude or more today, taking you down ultimately to these prices that will likely be not just below this low, but below $2, something down to $1.95 to $1.90 is what I'm looking for. As low as $1, I think $1.81 was the lowest target we came up with yesterday. And at a minimum of like $2.03, that's what we came up with today, if not yesterday as well. But I'm thinking $1.95 to $1.90, somewhere in that zone there, yeah. Probably over the next, by the end of this week, that's the expectation. It's Thursday now. It's the 5th now. The week ends on the 8th, on Sunday. We got a little bit over half a week left, right? Oh, I didn't realize I was sitting on that. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's so uncomfortable. Sitting on car keys, man. Anyways, it's not how it sounds, okay? It was like sitting on it sideways. It's like on the side of my leg. I'm not like sitting on it like with my butt. Anyways, $2.21 right now. Looking at this from a weekly perspective, maybe not on Coinbase, something with actual history to it. Coinbase had its chance, but they delisted it, man. So they had to restart. Overall, on your weekly RSI, you look very bullish, absurdly bullish, very, very, very bullish, you guys. Barely getting oversold, right? Overbought, oversold. That hints at a little bit of volatility here and there, but overall, you're barely getting oversold, living most of the time below or above the 50, getting overbought, and deeply overbought. Here we are just below the 50 now. We're not going to spend too much time below here. I think this is a breath of fresh air for the bears. After this week, we're going to start rocking and rolling, moving up to the upside here, breaking out to new all-time highs. It could be, I would think that as early as next week, we do start moving up, but it could be as early as 2 weeks from now that we are at new all-time highs, you guys. Like it's going to happen very, very fast whenever it does happen. And I think we're a lot closer to this next phase up than some people might be considering. I'm actually curious, what's the fear and greed index saying on that note? At least CoinMarketCap's Fear and Greed Index, not the whatever.me one. Yeah, it's lowering a little bit, but still not too much. It's basically neutral. It's been here for about a week now. So, anyways, guys, I don't think that I have anything else that I want to say. It's not a whole lot's happened. We're just waiting for the price to go down, right? You're at $2.21 now. I'm thinking that you go just a little bit below $2, but somewhere around that area. Nothing too crazy, nothing lower than these lows here. You'll find support at areas you found support at before. Finding support here, consolidating overall for 6 months now, 7 months now. Getting ready to move up to new all-time highs. It's going to be fantastic whenever it happens. It's just not this week. Probably next week, the week after, and then on, you'll start moving up and really seeing this thing come alive. Other than that, I got nothing else to say. So hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves, and bye-bye.